Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to be talking about Facebook marketing. Okay, we are going to be talking how you can get customers and everything, almost everything about Facebook marketing. So let's get started. So what do you need to start marketing on Facebook? First of all, you need a Facebook account, and then under that Facebook account you need a Facebook page. So a lot of people have a misconception about these two things. Okay, what is a Facebook account or what is a Facebook page. So I'm going to take you to my Facebook account to show you exactly what a Facebook account is and what is a Facebook page and what each of it does. So what is a Facebook account? Facebook account is the one you put your username or your phone number and email address, and you put your password and you log into. So that's the first step of any Facebook account. You need a Facebook account. That's where you use your phone number, your email address, and your password. You log into that Facebook account. So my Facebook account name is Ramadan Kasim. Right? This is my Facebook account. So how normally Facebook and then this is so for pages, let's go to pages. Let's go to pages by the right side. Go to pages, and these are pages. My account name is Ramadan Kasim, and then my page name is Business with Ramadan. So how Facebook works is that account is usually a personal account. Okay. Um, Based on Facebook rules, okay, account is used for personal use only. If you want to start a business, then under your personal account you can create pages for businesses. Pages are for business, while account is for personal use. So and when it comes to pages, you can create as many pages as you want. And with one Facebook account, okay, with this Ramadan Kasim, I can create as many pages as I want, and I can connect each page with single Instagram account. So for example, like with one Facebook account, Ramadan Kasim, I have business with Ramadan that is connected with my Instagram account. I have another page, Tweet Logistic, which is connected with another Instagram account. I have logistic and all of that. So you see, with one Facebook account, you don't need multiple Facebook account to connect to Instagram account. You just only need one Facebook account, and then you can create pages for all the businesses. If you have multiple business like me, I have business with I have logistic up and so on. You can create pages for under that account and then connect it with the Instagram account. But you can only connect one Instagram account with one Facebook page. Okay, so you need a Facebook page for you to be able to run sponsored advert. Okay, for you to be able to run sponsored advert on Facebook. Let me show you what I mean. So when it comes to this is the Facebook dashboard. If you look by the right, you will see sponsored. So this is it is called right column ads. It's called right column ads. It just appear here. So let me show you how an advert look on Facebook feed. So for example, this one that says sponsored is a sponsored advert on Facebook. So if you go on the name, on the person name, let's click on it, you will see that it's not an account, it's a page. Billie Jean is a marketing. Once you see that you can like something, it means that it's a page. Here is the category. This is the description of the page. We teach marketers how to use. So you see, this is a page. Billie Jean is a marketing. This is a page under an account. So for you to run an advert, you need a Facebook page, right? So this is the name sponsored. This is the description of the advert, copy of the advert. This is the link. This is the copy, the creative. This is the headline. Okay. Learn more. This is the action button, call to action button, and so on. So this is how sponsored advert looks like. You need a Facebook page with the name of the business you are trying to run sponsored advert for, or your business name or your client's business name. So yeah, so you understand now. Account is for personal use while pages is for businesses. So let's move on. How can you create a Facebook page for your business or for your client business? You can do that. First of all, you when you log in, whether you are using, so I'm using laptop to show the to explain to you. You can use your mobile phone. Just find your way to settings. Find your way to the sidebar. You'll see pages. You'll see pages. Go to pages. If you don't see pages on your mobile Facebook mobile application, just go to YouTube and search how can I create new Facebook page on Facebook, and you will see a lot of videos that can show you how you can create a Facebook page. So let's create a new Facebook page, and I will show you how you can optimize the Facebook page. So you will see create new page. Click on create new page. So first you select the name of your business. So for example, let's say our business name is what let's say um Ballers Club. Ballers Club. Okay, let's say our business name is Ballers Club. Then so once if the name is available, you'll see this sign. So then next category. So Ballers Club. Let's say Ballers Club is a passion business for men, right? So let's say men passion, men's clothing. Okay, men's clothing. So men's clothing store. So description. Let's say so when it comes to description, you have to make sure that you describe your business. You give a detailed explanation of what your business is about and why you are special. Okay. So you can say something like we sell high quality men's wears. So let me just leave it like this, but you have to make sure that this is if you are trying to write a description for a business, this is not enough. Okay, this is very small. So once we are done with this, we can click on create page. So it will load till they create the page, and then we will go into the next step, which is to optimize the Facebook page. This is one of the very important things that you must do for any business page you are trying to do on Facebook. So images, profile photo. So add a profile picture. So let's just add so the next step is to add a profile picture, right? So let me just add this picture as my profile picture. Next step is to add a cover picture. So this is the profile picture and this is the cover picture, cover photo. So let's add a cover photo. Let's add this. So yeah, so that's it. So let's click on save. So now we have done the minimum. Now we will go to the advanced level where we can optimize our Facebook page so that we can get pre-visibility, organic traffic on Facebook, so that when people are searching for something related to our business, Facebook will show them our account. So let's close on this. So the next step is when you create your page, go to the page and then click on settings. Click on edit page info. So go to the page you created at the top right corner you will see a settings icon. Click on it and you will see edit page info. If you don't know how you can do this, you can also go on YouTube and search how to edit page info. So it will show you a step-by-step process on how you can get to this stage. So username, you can select a username that you can use to log into your business, and so on. So the next step is category. This is very important. You need to put as many categories as you think that are related to your business. So for example, we are into men's clothes, right? We can put something like men's, let's see, men's fashion. We can put shopping and retail, of course. We can put product and retail, of course. Shopping and retail. Men's. Pop-up shop. Okay, your changes have been shipped. So you need to put as many as many categories as you want, that you think your target audience will be interested in. Also, when it comes to this description, you have to make sure that you include some keywords in your description, because when you include this for example, when you include we sell high quality menswears. So for example, when someone is searching for menswears on Facebook will show them your account, and you add something like menswears. We sell high quality menswears such as t-shirt. You understand? So if you add t-shirt, so when someone is searching for t-shirt on Facebook will show them your account. So you have to make sure that you include major keywords when describing the kind of business you are into. So for example, if it's my business with Ramadan, I will put something like we manage social media. We do social media management for all social media platform and so on, so that when someone is searching for social media management, Facebook will show them my account. So then the next is to put your contact. This is compulsory. Put your contact, your email address. If you have a website, put it. If you don't have a website, you can skip it. You can put my page doesn't have a website. Put your location, your city, zip code. So if you don't know what your zip code is, you can go to Google and search your area and then zip code. So you can search something like Sharada zip code, Kaduna zip code, and you see all the zip codes available in Kaduna, and you can select the one you want. You can go to Lagos, search zip code in Lagos. You can go to Lekki zip code and so on, and you will see all the zip codes, and you can copy it and paste it. Service area, hours, available hours, and you can put it, or you can put no available hours. It's up to you. Temporary service changes, you can select it or not, and then destination. So you can leave it like that. Okay, you don't need to fill all this. So once you are done, you can leave. So that's it about how you can optimize your Facebook page. Once you have done this, then your page is ready for business. So there's one thing that I want to show you. For example, now when you are trying to run a sponsored advert for someone, and that person wants the advert to show on Facebook, so you will need to be, they can either give you their Facebook login details, or they can add you as an admin to their Facebook page. So let's say this page we created is the one connected to our Instagram. So let's say I have an account on Instagram, Ballers Club. So, and this page is connected to the Instagram page, and I hire you to run a sponsored advert for me on that we show both on Facebook and on Instagram. Or even if I just want you to run an advert for me on Instagram, but I don't want to give you my Instagram login details, I don't want to give you my Facebook login details. So you can ask me, or you can ask the client to add you as an admin to this page. How can I add you? How can they add you as an admin to this page? First, they need to go to the page and go to the page settings, and they will see page roles here. Click on page roles, and when you click on page roles, you can add people as an admin. Okay, you can see here now I'm the admin, and then I can click on edit. I can come to assign a new page role. I can put the person name, Facebook name, or their email address. And once you do, so you can give the client your name, your Facebook name, and they will add you as an admin to the page, and you will see a admin request on your Facebook page, and then you can accept it. Once you accept it, it will show you'll be an admin to that page. So you can use your Facebook Business Manager to run a sponsored advert for that. So you'll understand what I mean by this as we move on. Now let's continue. So now we have already we are applying the 3 stages of social media marketing, which is clarification, attraction, and conversion. So now I've already clarified for you. I already show you how you can optimize your Facebook page so that you can be getting pre-visibility through SEO on Facebook. And then we are going into the second stage, which is attraction, how you can attract people to your Facebook page. So the first stage of attraction is the kind of content you are going to be posting. So the same content that you are going to be posting on Facebook, on Instagram, you can also be posting it on Facebook with the picture and all and the write up your caption that will convert to sales. So the next step is to what kind of organic traffic strategies that we can use to attract people to our page. So on Facebook there are no hashtag. Okay, hashtag is not working, does not work on Facebook. So the pre-traffic strategies that we can use on Facebook to get people to our page, the first one is to, after creating your Facebook page, the first thing that you need to do is try and gather at least 30 page followers by inviting your already existing Facebook friends and even family. Why should you do this? The reason is that this will enable you to join Facebook groups or forums as your page, not as an individual. What do I mean by this? Let me show you. So for example, these are my pages, right? So this Business with Ramadan is a page, and I have 662 followers, right? So when I try to join forums and or when I try to join groups on Facebook or forums, Facebook will give me the option to join the group as a page, as a Business with Ramadan, or as my personal account, Ramadan Kasim. So since I'm a business and I want to grow my business, I will want to join the group with my business name so that people will get will know my business name. So once you get this, so you can do the minimum number that you can get for you to be able to join Facebook groups as a page, not as an individual, is to get 30 page followers, right? So once you have done this, the next step is to then search for groups where you think your target audience are likely to be found, right? So for example, let's say my business with Ramadan. So the type of pages that I will like to join, that I think business owners are in, are pages that talk about business, opportunities and business growing, right? So I did my research and I found couple of pages, right? um, like this traffic mastery for small business, head starter for Africa community with John Obidi, and so on. So these are groups, right? There are over 166.3k members in this Facebook group. So once you have done, you need to do your research. Like I told you, on Instagram you need pull pages. So on Facebook you also need groups. So another example is that so if your target audience for the type of pages you are trying to manage are selling women clothes, right? So or women products. So you can go on Facebook and search for pages for Hausa Nobels group, something that is related to women development and all of that, and you can join that groups. Select the groups with the huge number of followers and then click on join group. Once you click on join group, two options will pop up: either to join as an individual or as a page. You should join as a page, as your business name, the page with your business name. Then the next step is to, once you join the group, then the next step is to start making meaningful posts relevant to the name of the group. If you join group that is talking about women issues and all of that, so the first thing that you need to do is to start creating valuable content that will get people attraction, that will get people to interact with your post, to get to know you and all of that. You should not go, except if a page is a business page where you are allowed to advertise your product in that page. You should not start advertising your product on that page, because majority of the Facebook groups, when you make a post on a Facebook groups, an admin of the page of the group has to approve the post first. So if you go and start posting your product picture on the group, the admin will disapprove your post and will block you automatically. So always use your sense to do these things. Okay, no one just created, they spent years building their Facebook group, and just one day you come and start advertising your product. Who do you think you are? So you have to be strategic about it. You have to be marketing, but it's like you are trying to sell but not directly. You can post very funny stuff, educative, just anything that can attract attention and demand interaction. Then the next step is to always match it with a powerful worded caption that is captivating. Especially the first two lines are very important. And then you can attach it with a picture or video that rhyme with caption, right? Then the next step is to this is where the magic happens. When you post something in a Facebook group, okay, and people interact with the post, they like the content, they comment, Facebook allow you to invite these people that like your content, that engage with the content you posted in this Facebook group, to invite them to like your page, to follow you on your page. So since they interact with your content and they find value in your content, so once you do that, they will have no issue following you to your page. So it means that you gain visibility to your page. You have turned them into your own asset. Now, if your post gather a lot of interaction and surpass the already existing ones, it will be the first post that any visitor of the Facebook group will see. So if you make a post on a Facebook group and that post get a lot of interaction and likes and all of that, the post will be at the top of the group. So any visitor that visited the group, they will see your first post, they will see your post first. So it gives you popularity, and popularity is good for your brand. Then the next this is another magic. If Facebook notice that followers of that group also follow you, so now let's say you make a post in a group and people interact with the post and you invite them to follow you and they follow you. So Facebook will notice that followers of that group are also following you. So any new individual who follows that group will immediately see your page popping up and recommended to like your page. Facebook is telling them that if you like this group, then you definitely like this person page. So you are getting another visibility on Facebook. So imagine doing Facebook doing this for you for like 50 pages, for like, let's say, minimum 10 pages, 20 pages per day. Imagine the kind of visibility you will get on Facebook. So let me take you to Facebook to show you an example of what I mean by valuable post. So this person is the admin of the page, admin. So let's see a post by a member. So yeah, you see this Mary Adole. So instead of her, I think she's a copywriter or something like that. Yeah, she's a content writer, right? So instead of her to come and start advertising, I'm a content writer, come and hire me and all of that, she decided to be sharing valuable content to the members of the group. She made an article saying how to write a killer cover that says I am what your organization needs. So any type of business owner that sees this post will be interested in it, and she matched it with her picture. So you can match it with your picture or any kind of picture that you think will resonate with the write-up, or a video, and you will see that 82 people engage with the post and 25 people comment. So now Facebook will give her the opportunity to invite these 82 people to her page, to like her page. And once these 82 people, at least 50 of them like her page, you will see that when someone joins the group, Facebook will start recommending her page to other people so that they can follow her. And you see that her post is at the top also. So these are one of the ways that you can gain visibility on Facebook. Another way that you can get visibility on Facebook is that through your caption. When you write a caption for a product and you mention some keywords, when I come to Facebook and start searching for that keyword, you will see it, right? So yeah, that's usually about it. About organic traffic that you can use to generate free traffic on Facebook. So now we are going to talk about the paid traffic strategies. Like all platforms, there are usually two paid traffic, whether influencer advert, which it can be a collaboration between someone that has huge followers, you pay them and they post for you. The next type of content is sponsored advert. So now we are going to be talking about sponsored advert on Facebook. But for you to be able to run sponsored advert on Facebook, the effective one, you need a computer, you need a laptop or a computer. So and then you need something called Facebook Business Manager. I'm going to be explaining to you, I'm going to be taking you, showing you exactly how you can run a Facebook through Facebook Business Manager. You can proceed to the next video.